Looking for the best 3D printer? In this video, I'm reviewing 5 of the best 3D printers you can buy right now. I'll compare print quality, speed, ease of use, and overall value to help you choose the right one for your projects. We have included links in the description. Number 1. FlashForge AD5X Multicolor 3D Printer 4 colors with IFS, fully auto-leveling FDM 3D printer with max 600 mm per second high-speed printing and max 300 degrees Celsius nozzle, large printing size 220 by 220 by 220 mm. The FlashForge AD5X is a high-performance FDM 3D printer designed for makers who want fast printing, multicolor capability, and an easy setup. It's best known for supporting up to 4-color printing, fully automatic bed leveling, impressive print speeds of up to 600 mm per second, and a high-temperature 300 degrees Celsius nozzle that can handle a wide variety of filament types. In real-world use, the AD5X is ideal for hobbyists, students, engineers, and small business owners who regularly print detailed models. The automatic leveling system eliminates one of the most frustrating parts of 3D printing, helping beginners achieve successful first layers without constant adjustments. Its multicolor printing system allows users to create colorful models in a single print. While the printer offers advanced features, beginners may still need some time to learn slicing software and proper filament settings to achieve the best results. Multicolor printing also requires additional planning compared to standard single-color printing. Overall, the FlashForge AD5X is an excellent choice for American makers, educators, designers, and small businesses looking for a fast, reliable, and feature-rich 3D printer that combines speed, automation, and colorful creativity into one capable machine. Number 2. Official Creality K2 Combo 3D Printer, multicolor 3D printers with CFS, 600 mm per second printing speed 300 degrees Celsius direct drive extruder auto leveling chamber AI camera, printing size 10.24 by 10.24 by 10.24 inch. The Creality K2 Combo is a premium FDM 3D printer built for creators who want professional quality prints with advanced automation and multicolor capabilities. It's best known for its Creality filament system, CFS, for multicolor printing, blazing 600 mm per second print speed, 300 degrees Celsius direct drive extruder, automatic bed leveling, enclosed build chamber, and integrated AI camera. In everyday use, the K2 Combo excels at producing prototypes, cosplay props, engineering parts, home organization products, educational models, and detailed artistic creations. The enclosed chamber helps maintain stable printing temperatures, improving reliability with advanced materials. Automatic bed leveling minimizes setup time, allowing users to spend more time printing and less time making manual adjustments. The built-in AI camera adds another layer of convenience by monitoring prints, helping detect potential failures before they waste large amounts of filament. Its large build volume provides plenty of room for ambitious projects, while the multicolor printing system opens new creative possibilities without requiring manual filament changes. Although the printer is beginner-friendly compared to many high-end machines, users will still benefit from learning proper slicing techniques and printer maintenance to maximize print quality. Overall, the Creality K2 Combo is one of the best choices for American buyers seeking a powerful, high-speed, feature-packed 3D printer. With excellent automation, reliable multicolor printing, and professional-grade performance, it's an outstanding investment for serious hobbyists, creators, educators, and small businesses. Number 3. Creality SPRKXi7 Combo 3D Printer, multicolor with CFS Light High-Speed AI Photo to 3D Printing 95% Pre-Assemble Auto-Leveling Custom RGB Quick Swap Essential Parts 10.24 by 10.24 by 10 inch. The Creality SPRKXi7 Combo is a next-generation FDM 3D printer built for makers who want fast, intelligent, and colorful printing with minimal setup. It's best known for its multicolor printing system with CFS Lite, AI-powered photo to 3D features, automatic bed leveling, and a design that arrives approximately 95% pre-assembled, allowing users to start printing much sooner than with many traditional 3D printers. Whether you're creating prototypes, decorative models, educational projects, or functional household parts, this printer offers a beginner-friendly yet highly capable experience. In real-world use, the SPRKXi7 delivers impressive print speeds while maintaining excellent detail and consistency. The multicolor system makes it easy to produce vibrant models without manually changing filament during a print. Although the automation makes printing easier, users will still need to learn basic slicing software and proper filament settings to achieve the highest print quality. Multicolor printing can also increase material usage compared to standard single-color printing. Overall, the Creality SPRK-XI7 combo is an excellent choice for American hobbyists, educators, designers, and small business owners who want a modern 3D printer that combines speed, intelligent features, colorful printing, and simplified operation in one versatile machine. Number 4. Anycubic Cobra X Combo High-Speed 3D Printer, native 7-color with ACE2 Pro, up to 19-color, ACE Gen 2 with 81% less purge, 600 mm per second, 260 mm Superscript 3, AI monitoring, latest level multicolor for geeks professional. The Anycubic Cobra X Combo is a premium high-speed 3D printer designed for creators who want professional quality multicolor printing with advanced automation. It's best known for supporting native 7-color printing, expandable capability up to 19 colors, print speeds of up to 600 mm per second. In everyday use, the Cobra X Combo performs exceptionally well for producing prototypes, cosplay props, engineering components, home decor, educational models, and detailed artistic prints. The intelligent multicolor system allows complex, vibrant designs to be printed automatically without constant user intervention. AI monitoring helps detect print issues before they become costly failures, while automatic calibration features reduce setup time and improve first-layer success. The spacious build area provides flexibility for larger projects, and the printer's high-speed performance dramatically shortens production time without sacrificing print quality. The advanced feature set makes it attractive for experienced makers, although complete beginners may need time to learn multicolor workflows and slicing software. The additional color capability can also increase filament consumption depending on the project. Overall, the Anycubic Cobra X Combo is an outstanding choice for American creators, engineers, educators, and small businesses looking for a powerful multicolor 3D printer with excellent automation, AI-assisted reliability, and professional-level performance. Number 5. Creality K2 Plus Combo 3D Printer 2026 Upgraded Version, Multicolor Printing with CFS, 600 mm per second print speed, Step Servo Motor System High Temp Direct Drive Extruder Build Volume 13.78 by 13.78 by 13.78 inch. The Creality K2 Plus Combo is a flagship-level 3D printer built for serious makers who need large-format printing, high-speed performance, and advanced multicolor capabilities. It's best known for its Creality Filament System, CFS, impressive 600 mm per second printing speed, Step Servo Motor System, high-temperature direct drive extruder, and an extra-large 13.78 x 13.78 x 13.78 inch build volume. In real-world use, the K2 Plus Combo excels at producing oversized prototypes, architectural models, cosplay armor, engineering parts, manufacturing tools, and production-ready components. The large build volume allows users to print bigger models in one piece instead of assembling multiple sections afterward, saving time and improving structural strength. While the K2 Plus is packed with premium features, it requires more workspace than compact desktop printers and represents a larger investment. Beginners may also need time to master advanced slicing settings and multicolor printing techniques. Overall, the Creality K2 Plus Combo is one of the best choices for American professionals, makerspaces, educators, and serious enthusiasts who want a high-performance 3D printer capable of producing large, detailed, multicolor prints with exceptional speed, reliability, and long-term versatility. Those are my picks for the top 5 best 3D printers. I hope this comparison helped you find the perfect printer for your needs and budget. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.